Hello, my name is Dr. Carmen Burke. I am a family holistic dentist practicing in Boulder, Colorado. Today I want to talk to you about the options you have when you're missing a tooth. The first option is always not to do anything. Second option is to replace the tooth with an implant. The good thing about an implant is there is one tooth problem, one tooth solution. In our practice, we use ceramic implants. CeraRoot is very biocompatible and is one-piece implant. The second option that you have is to replace the tooth with a bridge. For the bridge, we need to prepare the adjacent teeth, and it's like a 3-unit bridge. Usually, it can have more. But usually it's 3-unit bridge. The problem with this is that if one of the units of the bridge fails, the whole bridge fails. And it's a little more difficult to clean. And the fourth option that you have is a removable. We use a type of resin in our practice that is BPA free. This rests on your teeth. It can be worn for 16 hours a day. So you rest when you're sleeping and you need to clean it after each meal. You have some food trapping, but it's an option. Thank you.